There's one thing that bothers me every day. Can you learn how to walk on a pavement, people? Is it that hard to be a functioning member of society and walk on your right side of the pavement, just like cars do on the street? Is it that complicated? Or on the left side, if you live in some imaginary countries like England? I don't really know anyone from England, so therefore it can be real. Sticking to regular pavement rules would solve so many daily problems and save so much time. Because if you are going like a normal human being on the right side of the sidewalk, just minding your business, and some twat is going from the other side on his left side, and he doesn't look like he's going to go to the right side anytime soon, it changes to the scene from the Fast and Furious. Who is gonna quit and change sides first? Come on! And then you both change sides at the same time, so you are in each other ways still, and then you just have to somehow pretend like everything is okay and give that awkward smile to each other like, sorry. Learn how to walk on the fucking pavement, people. Come on. I don't think we can really progress as a society until we fix that. In the next episode, I will tell you 5 reasons why you should have been aborted if you ride your bike on the street when you have bicycle path 2 meters away